Hello, good evening all of you. Am I audible? Please mention. Please let me know whether the audio video is clear. Yeah, there was a technical issue by which it got late. Please inform your friends very fast. Let's start the session right away. Let me check. Audio video clear na? Am I audible? Audio video clear na? Yes. So, just a minute. Try the first question, all of you. All of you try the question. I will start a timer also. Two minutes to try. All of you try it. So this is a series where we are discussing previous year questions of February 2022 NET exam of all science streams in detail. Selected 50 questions we are discussing from all the 5 science streams together. As general aptitude is common for all science streams, this session also will be equally useful for all 5 science streams. So please invite all your friends very fast and try this question, all of you, and post your answer in the chat. Any answers? Okay, so I'll explain. Some of you already got an answer. Let's see whether it is right. At least 2 among the 3 persons A, B, C are truthful. So it's a statement related problem. Truthity, falsity of statement you need to analyze. If A calls B a liar and B calls C a liar. So there are 2 statements mentioned. A is saying B is liar. B is saying C is liar. And first sentence is very important. First sentence में लिखा है कम से कम at least 2, कम से कम 2 people lie truthful है यहाँ. कम से कम 2 truthful means दोनों truthful, 2 truthful और 1 liar या तीनों truthful. These are the only 2 realities possible ना. Either all the 3 are truthful or 2 truthful and 1 liar. That is the meaning of कम से कम 2, at least 2. कम से कम 2 people truthful होना चाहिए. 2 people या 3 people, तीनों people. So that is a possibility. So now let us check. Question is asking which of the following is false. Let us check each option. That is the best way to do this question. A is truthful. A is truthful. Is it okay? Let us understand. If A is truthful, let us understand each of these statements. If A is truthful, A calls B a liar is truth. If A is truthful, A calls B a liar is truth. That means in this case, A is truthful, B a liar is truth means A is truth speaker, T for truth speaker. As A calls B is a liar is truth, as A is truthful, B liar truth hai, so B liar hona hi chahiye. That means whatever B says should be a lie. What is B saying? C is a liar. That is a lie means C is a truth speaker. That means A is truth speaker, B is liar, C is truth speaker in first option case. Is it okay? Yes. 2 truth speaker and 1 liar is okay. 2 truth speaker and 1 liar is okay. That is why option A is not impossible. Question is asking false. False means impossible situation. This is possible, na? A truthful है तो कोई problem नहीं है. There is no contradiction with respect to the basic hypothesis that कम से कम 2 people truthful होना चाहिए. इसलिए option A answer नहीं है. Because false पूछा है, ये okay है, true है. That is why option A is not the answer. Same analysis you do for statement B or option B. If option B is the answer, B is truthful is true. That means B is truthful. So whatever B says should be true. B says C is a liar. So that should be true. So C should be liar. Now what about A? A calls B a liar. हम assume कर रहा है B is truthful. We are assuming that B is truthful. So A calls B a liar. That is a lie. So A is lying. Understanding that, all of you? Now the problem here, only 1 truth speaker. That is not okay. कम से कम 2 truth speakers होना चाहिए. Minimum 2 truth speakers should be there. Here only 1 truth speaker. As I told, either all the 3 should be truth speaker or 2 truth speaker and 1 liar. Here 2 liars and 1 truth speaker. That is not acceptable. So what led to this? The assumption that B is truthful is true. That is not true or that is false. We need false option. That is false statement. इसलिए option B answer है. So option B is the answer. All of you understood how option B is the answer? Please respond. Option B is the correct answer. If that is clear, let's go to the next question. Try this question. Very good question. We are trying questions from all topics. Two minutes to try. All of you try it, please. Any answers? Okay, some of you got an answer. Let's see whether it is right. So listen very carefully. This is a very interesting question, very simple question, but they have just given dummy data or irrelevant data to confuse you. A cylindrical rod roller having a diameter of 1.5 meter. ऐसा एक rod roller है, इसका diameter लिखा है 1.5 meter, मतलब radius is 0.75 meter. So this diameter is 0.5 meter. So this is leveling this rod like this by rolling it, na? And it moves at a speed of 3 km per hour. 3 km per hour itself finishes the question. 3 km per hour means 1 hour दिया तो 3 km rod level कर सकता है. 3 km rod level कर सकता है 1 hour दिया तो. लेकिन हम कितना आवर दे रहा है? 45 minutes दे रहा है. 45 minutes means 3/4 of an hour. 3/4 of an hour दिया तो 3/4 of 3 km level कर सकता है ना. And that is the answer, 9/4. 9/4 is 2.25. So the answer option A. Now you may be asking, where did I use this diameter 1.5? I cannot use it because that is a dummy data. That is how CSIR trick you. 1.5 meter is only relevant to know how many rounds was done. How many round is needed to cover this, or in 45 minutes कितना round cover करेगा. ऐसा कुछ question पूछा तो definitely 1.5 meter will matter, because if 1.5 meter का जगह smaller 0.5 meter वाला rod roller है तो ज़्यादा round चाहिए, but the distance traveled is same because it is moving at the same speed. Now how many rounds are covered, that is not our concern at all in this question. That is why we didn't involve that 1.5 meter. Yeah, if you didn't understand this logical idea, use the formula. We need to find what? Distance. Now, how much length of the rod will be covered? Distance equal to speed into time. So, distance equal to speed 3 into time, 45 minutes. 45 minutes is 45 by 60 hours. Now, that you can directly think 45 minutes is 3/4 of an hour. That is what I did here. If you are not okay with that, 45 मिनट को आवर में कन्वर्ट करना, उसके बाद सिंप्लीफाई करना. 3 into 60, 45 by 12, सॉरी 45 by 20 मिलेगा. कैंसिल किया तो 9/4 मिलेगा. 9/4 is 2.25. But why waste this much time where you can directly think? 3 km per hour का लॉजिकल मीनिंग क्या है? 1 hour दिया तो 3 km, हाफ आवर दिया तो 1.5 km, क्वार्टर आवर दिया तो 0.75 km. सो 3/4 hour किया दिया तो 0.75, 0.75, 0.75. ऐसा भी सोच सकता है 2.25 डायरेक्टली. ऑल क्लियर? Green color not visible. Okay, we'll use another color. I hope this is clear now. Please respond. That is clear. Try the next question. Very interesting question. Similar question was asked earlier 4 or 5 years back also in a previous CSIR NET problem. Okay, so I'll explain. An intravenous fluid or IV fluid we say na, when our vitals are low, or when we are tired, when we are admitted to hospital, they give the drip na, that IV fluid itself they are mentioning about. Or we have high fever and we want to gain energy, at that time IV given. So that IV fluid is given to a child of 7.5 kg at the rate of 20 drops per minute. Here also understand the logical meaning of 20 drops per minute. That is the rate or speed na. Like in the previous question it was कितना किलोमीटर था, 3 किलोमीटर पर आवर. सो 1 आवर में 3 किलोमीटर, ऐसा लॉजिकली सोचना है. सेम वे 20 ड्रॉप्स पर मिनट मीन्स 1 मिनट में 20 ड्रॉप्स दे सकता है, देना है. 1 मिनट में 20 ड्रॉप्स देना है. दैट इज द प्रिस्क्रिप्शन. 1 मिनट में 20 ड्रॉप्स मीन्स, हियर लुक एट दिस, ये ड्रॉप्स नहीं मिलीलीटर में बाकी सब डेटा दिया है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कन्वर्टिंग ड्रॉप्स टू मिलीलीटर विल बी बेटर. 1 ड्रॉप का मीनिंग 0.05 ml है. 1 ड्रॉप इज 0.05 ml. So definitely 20 drops per minute means what? 20 drops will be 20 into 0.05 ml. That is 20 into 0.05 means 2 into 5, 10. Shifting 2 decimals, shifting decimal, you will get 1 milliliter itself. Here 20 drops ka meaning 1 milliliter hai. That is what this question is saying. If the volume of a drop is 0.05 ml, that means we can rewrite this 20 drops per minute, or the rate at which the fluid should be given is 20 drops per minute or 1 milliliter per minute. Is that clear? Now it is more easy. Everything is in terms of milliliter. 1 milliliter per minute means 1 minute में 1 milliliter देना है. 1 minute में 1 milliliter देना है. 1 minute में 1 milliliter देना है. मतलब, now look at the question carefully. Question is saying that the prescribed dose of the fluid is 40 milliliter per kg of body weight. 1 kg के लिए 40 milliliter. ये child का weight 7.5 kg है. So for this child, the amount of fluid needed will be 40 into 7.5 kg. 1 kg के लिए 40, so 7.5 kg के लिए 40 into 7.5, 300 मिलीलीटर चाहिए. 300 मिलीलीटर चाहिए. वो 300 मिलीलीटर देने के लिए कितना घंटे लगेगा, कितना hours it will take, how many hours it will take to give this 300 milliliter at the rate of 1 milliliter per minute. That itself finishes the question na. 1 milliliter per minute means 1 minute में 1 milliliter. So 300 milliliter के लिए 300 minutes चाहिए. Or like the previous question, if you want to unnecessarily use formula, use the formula just like distance equal to speed into time. Time is equal to distance by speed. Here it is not distance, here it is amount of fluid given to the child. Amount of fluid given to the child will be 300 milliliter divided by 1 milliliter per minute, the speed. So that will be, time is equal to amount of fluid divided by speed. Distance by speed ka jagah amount of fluid divided by speed. So 300 milliliter by 1 milliliter is 300 minutes na. So 300 minutes are needed. So the time taken will be 300 minutes. Time 300 minutes है तो minutes में नहीं hours में चाहिए आंसर. 300 minute को hour में convert किया तो 300 by 60 hours, that is 5 hours. That all you should do in your mind. I will write the steps because that is needed, but at the time of exam you just have to do those things mentally. 300 minutes means 5 hours है ना, directly clear है वो. So 5 hours लगेगा. So option D is the correct answer. All clear how option D is the answer? That is a very good question. If that is clear, try the next question. This is also a very good question. Speed, distance, time. Okay, so I'll explain. So this is a very good question. A and B start from the same point in opposite direction along a circular track. So I will draw a circular track to start with. Yeah, I will draw a rough circle itself is enough. If this is a circular track, if this is a starting point, A, B in opposite direction along a circular track simultaneously. Speed of B is 2/3 that of A. Speed of B is 2/3 that of A means what is a logical meaning of that? When A travel 1 unit, B will travel 2/3 of the unit, na? 2/3 of that, na? Or in other words, when A travel 1 full circle, B will travel only 2/3 of that. So, as 2/3 is a factor, if you divide the circle into 3 equal portions, it is easy. 2/3 means 2 times 1/3, na? So full circle 1/3, 1/3, 1/3 ऐसा सोच सकता है. So the meaning is when A travel full circle, B will travel 2/3 of it. That means only here B will reach here when A come back to the starting point itself. Did you understand the first round of A? One full round cover karne waqt B will only reach here. That means 1/3 distance is remaining. 2/3 distance travel, 1/3 distance remaining. If that 2/3, 1/3 is confusing you, what I will suggest you is take an example. Let 6 be the circumference of the circle. Then you can think like when A travels 6 units, B travel 2/3 of 6, that is 4 units only. That way also you can think, but this itself is enough. Anyway, now what question is asking, how many times A and B will cross each other before meeting at the starting point? So starting point they should meet. Now A is at starting point but B is not at starting point. So we have to wait. But already A and B have met once now. In this A and B have met once already. Because A was traveling from here to here and B was traveling from here to here. So definitely A and B have met once in the first round. Round number 1, A and B already have met. Now round number 2, A ka second round. A is traveling this direction, second round. So definitely A and B will meet somewhere here. And then what will happen? A and B will be traveling from here to here to here to here. So 2 times they will be meeting, na? B will reach 2/3 of the circle B will cover. Full circle ka 2/3 means 1, 2 portions out of 3 portions. So second round में A और B 2 बार meet करेगा. Why 2 बार meet करेगा? In between this region A and B is meeting once. And then B is traveling like this. By that time A will come back. So somewhere here also B and A will meet. And B finally will reach here after second round of A. So 2 more times they have met. Now the third round में A will travel from here to here to here. Somewhere in between B and A will meet. So one more time. And A will come back here. And B will travel from here to here only. And both are at starting point. So they have met at the starting point again. So our objective is accomplished, that they should meet together at the starting point. A and B both are at starting point now because B यहाँ से 2/3 cover करेगा A का full round में. 2/3 of full round, this is 2/3 itself. 1/3 remaining, 2/3. And in between they have met one more time. So 1 plus 2 plus 1, 4 times totally. So option D is the answer. How many of you understood it? So that is how to do that question. That is clear. Let's go to the next question. Try this. This is a very interesting question. Okay, so identical balls are tightly arranged in the shape of an equilateral triangle with each side containing n balls. So n, the best way to do this question is you can take examples for n. Let n equal to 1. If n equal to 1 means what? Every side is arranged with one equilateral triangle. Sorry, one ball only. N is number of balls. So every side of the equilateral triangle with one ball means totally there is only one ball. I will show you how. If n equal to 1, this is how the picture will look like. Something like this. This side also one ball, this side also one ball, this side also one ball. Are you all understanding that? N equal to 1 ka meaning ye hai. Every side one ball means total one ball only, because that one ball is common to all the three sides. Now n equal to 2. If n equal to 2, what will happen? Let n equal to 2. That means every side of the equilateral triangle should be having two balls. If you look at it, this can be one such arrangement. I am freehand drawing, but you are understanding the idea, I guess. Here two balls, here two balls, here two balls. These are the, so total 3 balls are there now. Total 3 balls. Now n equal to 3. Let n equal to 3 hai to kya hoga situation? N equal to 3 means one row, second row, and the third row. 3 rows. Here 3 balls, 3 balls, 3 balls. So now let us see the pattern, what is happening. Here one ball only, 1 plus nothing. Here one row, first row 1 ball, second row 2 balls, 1 plus 2. Here first row, second row, third row, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3. So in the case of n equal to 4, that means every side having 4 balls, definitely 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 hoga. n equal to 4 wala case mein 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 hoga. And so on. That means for general case n, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n will be the number of total balls. Na? That is what sum of first n natural numbers. That is n into n plus 1 by 2. N into n plus 1 by 2 is given in option B. So option B is the answer. So taking example method will be very helpful here. No, Afrin, 4 times hua. I didn't count that 4th time. Listen carefully. What did I tell in the previous question? This last time I didn't count. I didn't count it as they met finally. That I didn't count. In between they will be meeting. That is what I am telling. So 1 in the second round 2 times met. That is the 2. 1 plus 2 plus 1. 3. 4. I hope it is clear now. Okay, and this equilateral triangle question also, I hope it is clear. Very good question this was. And try this question. A very good data interpretation question. Try it carefully. Okay, so it's a simple question if you understood it correctly, because in the question itself the answer is directly hidden. An inverted cone is filled with water at constant rate. Volume of water inside the cone as a function of time is represented by. So if this is the cone, we are filling this cone. So what we need to find? Volume of water inside the cone as a function of time. Question directly told that it constant rate means constant volume. Water is filled, sorry, the increase in volume is constant. That's the meaning. That means, for example, 1 second में 10 volume 10 centimeter cube volume है तो या meter cube volume है तो second also 10, that is total 10 plus 10 20 centimeter cube with the volume. Third second में one more 10 30 centimeter cube volume totally and so on. That is constant rate. Volume constant है. Some people may think that okay, this here the level of increase will be more. First second में इतना level हो गया तो second में इतना ही होगा. That I agree. The height is not increasing at constant rate, but the volume is at constant rate. It's filled with water, so amount of water is filled at constant rate. That means volume with respect to time should be a linear graph. Only linear graph present is option B. So option B is the answer. That means, for example, 1 second है तो volume 10 है तो second में 10 plus 10 20 होगा. Third second में 20 plus 10 30 होगा and so on. Not an exponential curve. Not an inversely proportional graph also. It should be a linear curve where the slope should be same, because question directly told the rate is same. Rate is same means slope is same. All clear? All of you, is it clear or not? As I told, it is directly mentioned in the question. What is the answer? Okay, this one we'll discuss later. Try this. This is a very interesting question. All these are questions of February 2022. Okay, so I'll explain. An archer shoots a target which is at a height of 6 meter and at a line of sight distance of 12 meter from the bow. That means height of the target is 6 meter. So here is the target. But the line of sight is 12 meter means this is 12 meter. This is 12. Is that clear? This is 12 From which of the following angles of shooting the arrow gives him a fair chance of hitting the target? Taking gravity into account. First of all, let us avoid gravity. Not taking gravity into account, ideal situation. If there is no effect of gravity, what will happen? Let us understand. This theta is what you need to find. What theta in which he should target. For this theta, this is opposite side and this is hypotenuse. Na? Opposite by hypotenuse is what? Sin theta. So, वो sin theta से ये theta का value easily निकाल सकता है ना. We can find the value of theta from this expression. Sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. Here sin theta will be 6 by 12. 6 by 12 is half ना. कौन सा sin value का value half दे रहा है? 30 ना. Sin 30 is half. Yeah, trigonometry basic identities you should know. Sorry, sin theta will be 30 degree. Sorry, theta should be 30 degree. So, if you are aiming at an angle of 30 degree, yeah, this is in degree. I think degree also should be mentioned. If your ideal situation, if gravity was not affected, this theta should be 30 degree so that it will hit the target. Now, let us think about the gravity aspect. Due to gravity, what will happen? Due to gravity, for example, if he is targeting like this, when the bow move like this, it will bend a bit. Bend means it will not be going this way itself. It will bend a bit and it will hit somewhere below. Here is the target. Target यहाँ है. Target के below hit करेगा क्योंकि gravity will push it down ना. So to hit the target, we should aim a little higher so that gravity effect will cancel out and reach the target. Yeah, we cannot say how much higher. We can only say little higher. Options देखो, little higher than 30 एक ही option है. That is purposefully set like that because otherwise we cannot exactly find. उसके लिए gravity का और physics you need to learn a lot. This was not asked even in the physics paper. This was asked in the chemical science paper. So learning the physics behind that is not the point at all. Logically telling that little more than 30 degree is enough. Little more than 30, only one option is there 32. बाकी सब option 30 से ज़्यादा कम है ना. 30 से कम target किया तो और भी नीचे hit करेगा. We need to hit above ना, not below. So that is why only option above 30, 32 is the answer. All clear? Very good question na. A very good distance and direction problem. Then try this. This was asked in September 2022. Also a very similar question was asked. We have discussed that in a previous lecture series. Some of you already got an answer. The letter S of English alphabet occurs in the sentence dash times. Letter S of English alphabet. Just a minute. Just a minute, let me check one thing. Sorry, actually this was asked in September 2022. By mistake I have shown this question. Already we have discussed in the September 2022 paper, so we should not repeat it. I'll do one thing, I will upload a different question. Just a minute. This question which you tried was in the September 2022 paper. That was already discussed. You can check out that recording of the previous class, those of you missed it. Instead you can try this question. That question I'm skipping. Try this question. This was the February 2022 paper. Sorry, the audio was muted, so I will repeat one more time. So here what I told is, to find the last digit of this difference, you need to only find the last digit of the first number and last digit of the second number and find the difference of those two. Because this is a power. Power means multiplying a number many times. 489 into 489 into 489 into 489, 86 times. उसका लास्ट डिजिट फाइंड करने के लिए 9 into 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 9, 86 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करने का लास्ट डिजिट फाइंड करना काफ़ी है ना. उसके लिए 9 का पावर साइकिल या 9 का पावर में लास्ट डिजिट क्या क्या आ सकता है, और द पावर साइकिल ऑफ 9 वी नीड टू चेक. आई एम ब्रीफली टेलिंग द आइडिया ऑफ पावर साइकिल और लास्ट डिजिट ऑफ पावर very briefly. In detail I have given lectures on that, full length lectures on that in YouTube itself, you can check it out. So 9 raised to 1 का लास्ट डिजिट 9 है, 9 raised to 2 का लास्ट डिजिट 9 into 9 1 होगा ना. 9 into 9 81 है, लेकिन उसका लास्ट डिजिट 1 है ना. 9 cube means 1 into 9 again 9. 9 raised to 4 means 9 into 9 again 1. So 9191919191, it will just repeat. Are you all understanding? Or in other words, we can say 9 raised to any odd power, 9 will be the last digit. 9 raised to any even power, 1 will be the last digit. Is that clear? Now 86 is even power, so 1 will be the last digit. Similarly 1 का किसी भी power लो, उसका last digit 1 ही रहेगा. 1 ending number, whichever power you take, that will be 1 only last digit. Is that clear? That means 1 ending number minus 1 ending number is 0 ending number. So 0 is the answer. Super easy. Or if you want to learn more about it, this flashcard summarizes everything related to what I told you now. 9 and 1 only we discussed, but other numbers also power cycle is there. Same way you can obtain. There are power cycle with cyclicity 1, cyclicity 2 and cyclicity 4. Cyclicity 4 case is little time consuming. That also I have taken in detail in the previous YouTube live, dedicated YouTube live for that. So this 1 ending numbers सारा 1 ही होगा. 9 ending numbers का last digit 9 या 1 होगा. So 91919191 repeats. So these two ideas we have used more in detail. I have explained there. So can you try this question? Geometry problem. Okay, how to do this question? Area of a circle which circumscribes a regular hexagon with side A. What is the meaning of circumscribing? You should understand. This is the meaning of circumscribing. Circumscribing and inscribing. Circumscribing means through the outside. Inscribing means through the inside. Area of a circle which circumscribes a regular hexagon. Regular hexagon means all sides are equal. All sides are equal. And all angles are also obviously equal. And the circle that is circumscribing means touching the vertices of the hexagon, the circle drawn. All vertices of the hexagon, the circle drawn, that is called the circumscribed circle. As I told, if it is inscribed circle, it will be the circle that is touching all the sides of the hexagon through inside. So just as a matter of fact I told. Okay, now area of the circle which circumscribes the regular hexagon with side A. ये hexagon का side length A है. Regular hexagon है तो सारा side length, सारा all the side lengths will be A itself. So A. So area of the circle find करने के लिए you need the radius or diameter ना. You need the radius or diameter. This diameter or radius, if you find, you can find pi radius square. Pi radius square is the area. So finding radius or diameter is the important thing here. How to find it? To find it, the best way to do this question is you can split this hexagon into 6 equilateral triangles. Based on this, there were questions in September 2022 exam also. Six equilateral triangles you can form inside a regular hexagon. Equilateral triangle means सारा side same है ना. ये equilateral triangle का one side A है तो ये दोनों sides A है. मतलब ये A है. Similarly ये A है तो ये भी A है. And that means the diameter is A plus A 2A ना. Diameter A plus A 2A है तो we need to find the radius of the circle. So pi A square is the answer, option C. Super easy na. No calculation at all. Don't involve hexagon area formula or anything. This picture is enough. Look at this. Yeah, actually in tiling problems also this idea is very important. Hexagonal tiling, equilateral triangle tiling, all are possible because that will all form total 360 degree. Equilateral triangle ka 60, 60, 60, 60, 60 will form the 360 degree without any gap that will happen. इसलिए ये 6 इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल से एक हेक्सागन या रेगुलर हेक्सागन फॉर्म कर सकता है. रेगुलर है तो ही ये पॉसिबल है. सो दैट इज वाई ये डायमीटर A प्लस A है, रेडियस A है, पाई A स्क्वायर एरिया हो गया. क्लियर? If you want, you can find the area of this circle or area of this hexagon also. That will be 6 times area of each equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle area will be root 3 by 4A square. 6 times root 3 by 6, root 3 by 4, A square will be the answer. Yes, Ilma. So try the next question. Very interesting question. Okay. Before going to the solution of this question, just wanted to inform you about the announcement from Unacademy. So there is a special offer. Unacademy is starting from today to take Unacademy Plus or Iconic subscription. Yeah, this is the details of that course. There will be 2-month free extension of your Plus subscription if you are taking 6-month or 12-month subscription with the referral code CC10 live. You can note down the referral code if you are planning to take Plus subscription, CC10 live. And by this subscription, you are not only able to access my classes, you can access all educators, all courses, subject educators also, aptitude courses also by a single subscription. Unlimited access for how much subscription period you are taking subscription. Till then, unlimited access of live and recorded courses of all educators of CSIR UGC NET category will be offered to you by this subscription. And if you ask about my courses, I have given total 65 courses, already completed courses that will be available in the present live course. And especially we are starting a new course from day after tomorrow. New Plus course we are starting from day after tomorrow. Like in this YouTube live, we are discussing previous year questions selected na, but full length PYQ course. New PYQ course is a full length PYQ course where one by one question paper of each subject we will be discussing in detail. The timing of the live course is 2 PM to 3:30 PM and it will start from day after tomorrow onwards, November 10th onwards. And this course is equally useful for life science, mathematical science, physical science, chemical science and earth science aspirants because aptitude section is common for all streams. So the best way to prepare is practice aptitude section of not only your question paper, prepare aptitude section of all subject aptitude question paper you download and do. And I will be downloading the question paper and making the solutions of it and making you do them in the class itself. Half an hour I will be giving time in the class itself to try the question. उसके बाद उसका solution भी हम detail explain करेगा और उसका detail explain solution also as PDF you will be getting a study material. Or no other extra charge, just by this subscription you will be able to access this course fully. Not only this course, all other courses in my profile. There is another complete course running at 8:30 AM and there is many other courses in my profile. All those you can access by the subscription itself. This is our details of the complete course. It's a full length topic wise course. Complete theory, previous year questions and practice questions topic wise will be discussed in this course. ये कोर्स भी एक्सेस कर सकता है सेम सब्सक्रिप्शन से एंड इन द अपकमिंग मंथ्स वी आर प्लानिंग फॉर फुल लेंथ गेट कोर्सेस आल्सो, वो भी एक्सेस कर सकता है ये सेम सब्सक्रिप्शन से. सो if you want to get the special offer of Unacademy Plus subscription, use this now to get maximum discount. These are some of the other courses I have taken and this is how to take Unacademy Plus subscription at maximum discount. Thus if you are planning to take subscription, make use of this offer. There is 10% off if you are taking Unacademy Plus subscription using this referral code. And for today, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, along with this 10% off, that 2-month extra subscription offer also will be there. This is for Plus and Plus Iconic subscriptions, not for Unacademy Lite. Unacademy Lite is only having test series in it. Classes will be there in Plus and Iconic subscriptions only. So this is how to take Unacademy Plus or Iconic subscription at maximum discount. So you can screenshot it if you want to take Unacademy Plus subscription and access all educators, all courses by a single subscription. Okay, so that is about Unacademy Plus subscription and the latest offer. Once again reminding, this is a special offer if you are using the referral code CC10 live or CC10. So extension of subscription of 2 months with 6-month and 12-month subscription plans. Okay, coming back to the question we were discussing. Just a minute. Okay, this was the question now. In a class of 60 students, rank of Amar is double that of Akbar. So Amar rank is double that of Akbar, 3 times that of Amita and 7 times that of Anthony. So double of Akbar means if Akbar rank is X, 2x will be Amar rank. Amar rank will be 2x. And if Amita rank is y, 3y will be the rank of Amar. And if Anthony's rank is say z, Amar's rank will be 7 times of that, that is 7z. ये तीनों अमर रैंक है ना, तो ये तीनों इक्वल ऑब्वियसली होना है. 2x equal to 3y equal to 7z. What is the practical meaning of 2x equal to 3y equal to 7z? एक 2 का 3 का 7 का मल्टीपल सेम है और कॉमन मल्टीपल है. 2 3 7 का कॉमन मल्टीपल होना चाहिए द रैंक ऑफ अमर. Rank of Amar should be a common multiple of 2 3 7. Did you all understood? Now think about the common multiples of 2 3 7. What are the common multiples of 2 3 7? Least common multiple is 42 ना. LCM of 2 3 7 will be 42. उसके बाद 42 का डबल 84, 42 का ट्रिपल 126 and so on will be the common multiples of 2 3 4. That common multiple only can be the possible ranks of Amar. Did you understand that? Possible ranks of Amar can only be common multiples of 42s or common multiples of 2 3 4 2 3 7. That means Amar rank can be 42 also, 84 also. Then how you will decide? We need to find rank, sum of ranks of Amar, Akbar, Anthony. Sum of ranks of Amar, Akbar, Anthony means, yeah, first of all 42 के ऊपर नहीं जा सकता because if 84 is the Amar rank, total 60 students only are there. So the maximum rank possible is 60 only, or minimum rank possible we can say. So rank will be 1 to 60 only. Now if 60 people only are there in the class, 1 to 60 only can be the ranks. 61 rank, how it is possible if 60 people only are there? So definitely 84 or above 84 is impossible. So we concluded that Amar rank is 42. अभी अमर रैंक 42 है तो बाकी रैंक्स क्या क्या है? अकबर एंथोनी का रैंक क्या है? अकबर का रैंक क्या होगा? रीड द क्वेश्चन केयरफुली. क्वेश्चन इज सेइंग दैट अमर रैंक इज 7 टाइम्स ऑफ एंथोनी. सो 7 टाइम्स z is 42. So what will be z? Z will be 6 ना. Akbar rank should be 6. And we need Anthony's rank done. Sorry, we have found Anthony's rank. Sorry, Anthony's rank will be 6. This 42 equal to 7 is for Anthony's rank. What about Akbar rank? Akbar rank, Amar rank is double of Akbar rank. That means 42 is double of something. 2x is equal to 42. X का value 21 होगा. That is why Akbar rank is 21. ये तीनों का sum है हमारा final answer. 42 plus 21 plus 6. 42 plus 21 plus 6 will be 69. So 69 is the answer. All of you clear how 69 is the answer? That is how to do that question. If that is clear, try this question. All of you. Tomorrow also 5 p.m. most probably this session will continue, and by tomorrow we are planning to finish this series of February 2022 paper, and day after tomorrow we will start the full length course on PYQs in the Plus platform. It's an interesting reasoning problem. There are 3 fathers and 6 sons in a room. If every father's son and every son's father are present, then the minimum number of individuals in the room is. So, कम से कम कितना people होना चाहिए, that is a question. So, you can accept a person as father only if that father's son is present in the room. That is a condition given in the question. So, we need to accommodate 3 father positions and 6 son position. Yeah, the possibility is that 3 fathers being different and 6 sons being different, then 9 will be the case. But question is asking minimum number, na? Minimum number ke liye, some of these fathers should be sons also, or some sons will be fathers also. Because, for example, your father is your father, but your grandfather's son, right? So that way, same person can occupy 2 positions or 2 relations. So if I consider a person X, that X can be son of, say, A and father of, say, Y. That means he is counted as a father also, he is counted as a son also, as his father and son are present there. Are you understanding? So that kind of people you need to add more. So let us add one more people. So I will use different letters. I will call, let G be the grandfather. F1 and F2 are the children of G. So two sons we already are there, F1 and F2, and G is one father. Now this F1 can have 2 children, S1 and S2, son 1, son 2, and F2 can have S3 and S4 children. In this scenario, please understand, please see what is happening. This is a father, this is a father, this is father. So 3 fathers already counted. Because their children are present there, that is why they are fathers. And this is a son, this is a son, this is a son, this is a son, 4 sons. And these 2 are also sons. That is 6 sons also satisfied. 3 fathers and 6 sons satisfied. So total 9 individuals are there in the room. All clear how 9? Option D 9. And sorry, not 9. Okay, sorry. Question is not asking total relations. Now, total how many people? Total number of people will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 only. So option B 7 is the correct answer. All clear? Please respond. How 7 is the answer? So that way we can say option B is the answer. If that is clear, try this question also. Okay, so you can use Venn diagram to denote this data so that it will be easy to analyze. Out of 2000 people, 300 play volleyball, 500 play cricket, whereas 200 play both volleyball and cricket. So this is the Venn diagram you can draw. Volleyball and cricket are the two objects. 300 play volleyball, 500 play cricket. 200 play both. That means the intersection part 200 should be there. That means 300 minus 200, 100 will be the people who play only volleyball. This is the only volleyball region. Similarly, 500 minus 200, 300 is the people who play only cricket. This is the only cricket region. Now, question is asking what? How many people do not play either of the games? That means how many people are outside the cricket or volleyball set? This is our required unknown X. So we can categorize it into three categories. No game playing people, one game playing people, two both game playing people. These three added will be the total number of people, that is 2000. No game playing people is our required unknown X. One game playing people will be 100 plus 300. And two game playing people will be 200. Now from this, adding these three equal to 2000, you can easily solve it ना, क्योंकि ये तीनों category people add किया तो total number of people मिलेगा. Total number of people मिलेगा. So that is 400 plus 200, 600. 600 plus x equal to 2000. 600 plus x equal to 2000. That means x is equal to 1400. Option D. That is a systematic way, but I will suggest you, if you are good at this topic, you can skip all those steps. Even Venn diagram you can skip, but with Venn diagram also, you don't need to add this 100, 300, etc. or find the 100, 300. You can also do like this. 300 volleyball people, 500 cricket people. So 300 plus 500, 800 people already. लेकिन वो 800 people में 200 दो बार count किया. Double count किया. Double count करने वाला people को remove करना है, because you should be, we are trying to see total ये 2000 people कहाँ से आ रहा है. So 300, 500, 800 से 200 कम किया तो 600. वो 600 होगा ना, ये यूनियन ऑफ वॉलीबॉल एंड क्रिकेट. उसके बाद बचा हुआ नंबर होगा आंसर 600 plus x is equal to 2000. So x is equal to 1400. If you understood that, fine. Otherwise, the previous method was enough. I hope it is clear, all of you. If so, I think we can conclude today's session here. Hope today's session was interesting. If so, invite your friends to the upcoming sessions also. The GATE course also is running and other sessions are also running. Check out the sessions, and all of you are welcome to be part of the Plus platform using the subscription code CC10 live or CC10. You can get Unacademy Plus subscription to get unlimited access of all educators, all courses, including subject courses and aptitude courses. For life science, physical science, mathematical science, chemical science, there are many subject courses available, and my aptitude classes also. For earth science subject courses as such, I think it is not there, but my aptitude classes you will be able to follow for earth science students also. So that's it. Thank you all of you. Tomorrow we'll be having the final session in the series, top 50 PYQs CSIR NET Part A, February 2022. So thank you. Take care. Bye bye.